What's going on, guys? We got the 20-foot SeaCraft back here. We're going to replace the coring on the cap, so I'm going to show you how to remove the cap from the hull, flip it upside down, cut out the old coring, put some new coosa coring in it, and get it re-glassed and put back into the hull. Alrighty, so this side is loose. This side isn't loose. Someone took 5200 and went to town on this side, but not that side. Alright, so now that the cap's off of the hull, flipped upside down, what we're going to do now is cut the coring out. As you can see, this is the coring here. So what I'll do is I'll cut the edges here and here and pry this out, clean it, grind it, and then replace it with some coosa. I got it double stacked here, tracing out the template. We're going to cut 2 sheets at once so we don't have to make multiple cuts. Alrighty guys, now that we got our coring cut out, we're going to take some 1:1 ratio of epoxy and get this mixed up in our cup here with some silica, make it nice and thick, spread it all across the bottom side of the piece of coring, which is 1/2 inch coosa, and we're going to take it over here and then install it onto the cap right here using our C clamps to apply pressure all the way around and fill any of the voids or gaps up with the thickened epoxy as well, just like we did over here. As you can see, it's nicely glued in. Alright, we got all the edges grinded down. Ready for some fiberglass now. Let's get the fiberglass cut up. We'll start laying it down on each section. I've waited way too long to buy one of these cutters. Man, it makes life so much easier cutting with that. Alright. Alright, so we got our 1708 cut. We got 2 layers going down, overlapping each other. So we're gonna mix up a 1:1 ratio of our epoxy. It's a slow curing, so we have more time to work with it since we're fiberglassing big sheets of 1708. You wanna have more work time with it, so 1:1 ratio is the way to go. It's a 50-50 mix. Alright, so I got the cap installed temporarily. It's looking real good. Got a nice smooth finish to start it off with. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here, but there is gonna be a part 2. I'm gonna show you guys, I've cut out these templates for some struts to hold the cap. So if you're stepping on the sides or whatnot, it doesn't want to flex, so it'll be a nice strong structural add to it. And then we are going to be extending the outer lip here about another 6 inches all the way around. It's going to definitely be a one-of-a-kind SeaCraft. Nothing out there like it. So yeah, like and subscribe, and look out for this next video on part 2 of rebuilding a SeaCraft cap.